Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to be talking about how to do a hot oil treatment on relaxed hair. Relaxed hair needs extra care and attention, and a hot oil treatment is a great way to keep your hair healthy and hydrated. So, let's get started. Step 1. Choose your oil. The first step in doing a hot oil treatment on relaxed hair is choosing the right oil. There are many different types of oils you can use, including coconut oil, olive oil, and jojoba oil. Each oil has its own unique benefits, so it's important to choose one that will work best for your hair. For example, coconut oil is great for moisturizing dry hair, while olive oil is perfect for adding shine and strengthening hair. Step 2. Heat the oil. Once you've chosen your oil, it's time to heat it up. You can do this by putting the oil in a microwave-safe bowl and heating it in the microwave for about 30 seconds. You can also heat the oil on the stove by placing the bowl of oil in a pot of hot water. Make sure the oil is warm, but not too hot to touch. Step 3. Apply the oil to your hair. Now that your oil is heated up, it's time to apply it to your hair. Start by sectioning your hair into 4 or 6 sections, depending on how thick your hair is. Apply the oil to each section of hair, making sure to saturate it completely. Use your fingers to massage the oil into your scalp, as this will help stimulate hair growth and promote a healthy scalp. Step 4. Cover your hair. Once you've applied the oil to your hair, it's important to cover it up. You can use a plastic cap or a towel to cover your hair. This will help trap in the heat and allow the oil to penetrate your hair shaft. Step 5. Let the oil sit. Now that your hair is covered, it's time to let the oil sit. You should leave the oil on your hair for at least 30 minutes, but you can leave it on for up to an hour if you have the time. This will allow the oil to penetrate your hair and provide deep hydration. Step 6. Rinse and shampoo. After the oil has had time to sit, it's time to rinse it out. Start by rinsing your hair with warm water, then shampoo your hair as you normally would. Be sure to use a sulfate-free shampoo, as sulfates can be harsh on relaxed hair. Step 7. Condition your hair. After shampooing, it's important to condition your hair to add back moisture. Use a deep conditioner or hair mask to help restore your hair's natural moisture balance. Apply the conditioner to your hair, making sure to focus on the ends, which are more prone to dryness and damage. Step 8. Detangle your hair. After conditioning, use a wide-tooth comb or detangling brush to gently comb through your hair. This will help remove any tangles or knots, and prevent breakage. Step 9. Style your hair. Now that your hair is clean and conditioned, it's time to style it. You can air dry your hair or use a blow dryer and heat protectant spray to style your hair. Be gentle when using heat tools, as excessive heat can damage relaxed hair. Step 10. Repeat regularly. To keep your hair healthy and hydrated, it's important to do a hot oil treatment on a regular basis. You can do it once a week, or every 2 weeks, depending on your hair's needs. Over time, you'll notice that your hair is stronger, shinier, and more resilient. And that's it. Doing a hot oil treatment on relaxed hair is a great way to keep your hair healthy and hydrated. Remember to choose the right oil for your hair, heat it up, apply it to your hair. Cover it up, let it sit, and then rinse and shampoo your hair. Your hair will thank you for it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more hair care tips and tutorials.